Hey, let me show you something I built. Have you ever tried to remote debug a process on another machine straight from VS Code? And a Windows kernel driver? Yeah, VS Code just can't. So, I fixed this with my new VS Code extension. Let me introduce dap-dbg engine. It runs on the same engine that powers WinDbg. Okay, let's see what it can do. 4 ways to debug, and 2 of them were never possible in VS Code before. Let's start simple. Debugging a local program is just a launch.json. Point it at your CMake target, press F5, and step through your code. Or attach to one that's already running. Just attach to it by its process ID. Same familiar interface with the real Windows debug engine underneath. Now, my favorite part. Start the debug server on the target machine. Point your launch.json at it with a connection string, press F5, and pick the remote process. Now you're debugging it remotely while the engine and your symbols stay local. Yes, even the kernel. Enable kernel debugging on the target with bcdedit, then reboot. Point a kernel config at it from the host. Press F5. It connects over KDNET and breaks at driver entry. Kernel debugging just became another breakpoint. How cool is this? Now it's your turn. Leave a star, a comment, report a bug, or contribute. It's open source. That's it. You can now debug local programs, attach to running ones, debug across the network, and even the kernel all from one extension. Install native Windows debugging for VS Code and give it a try.